wherever you are, whatever time it is. Welcome to my channel. So today we'll be making a banana nut bread. With a little bit of ginger to add some spices to it, like nutmeg. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with nutmeg. Cinnamon, some vanilla, a bit of oil. You can use coconut oil or oil that has less flavor to it. Baking soda. We're gonna keep it kind of vegan friendly. So let's get started. Peeled my bananas, as you can see here. I'm gonna mash them up together. Good. Get some anger management stuff going on. So now we're adding some flour to the mix. So here I believe this container says it's about 2 cups here. So we're making 2 loaves, so I'm gonna do a total of 4 cups. Oh! So I like to sieve the flour to kind of get all those little nodules out of it. 2 cups. We won't waste anything because we're not wasters. Sieve it low and tight, and definitely making a royal mess over here. I kind of made this one before on my Instagram page, and I posted it to my story. I believe that was the first time I was making this banana bread, and I was pretty curious. It reminded me of my grandma's cooking. The smell, the vanilla, the rich flavors of vanilla that you can tell. This is 2 cups. Let's double check. I swear I have probably got OCD. That might not be a bad thing, actually. So did that wrong, but okay, we'll fix it. I did not sieve that one, but we'll sieve this one right over here. Ah. I think I'm having way too much fun doing this. Since we are doing 4 cups, we're gonna do 2 tablespoons. Just doubling the amount of ingredients. Bam. I really like the flavor of nutmeg and things that I'm doing. So we're gonna start that. So if you're from the Caribbean or wherever, and you do know about grating coconut, your knuckles always get eaten off by this darn thing. So now that we've peeled our ginger, tongue pie. Now that we've peeled our ginger, we're gonna go ahead and get it grated.
But mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here.
I'm gonna add about a cup of sugar into this. So now we're gonna get our wet ingredients, and we're gonna do some coconut milk. I like keeping my milks in a glass container in the fridge because it keeps the temperature consistent. I find that my milks or any other form of liquids last longer in a glass container. So that's my trick to you, for you guys, my tip. To tips and tricks. Kristen Hayes tips and tricks. I like that. That's a different segment. But anyway, I've already melted some coconut oil with a bit of vegan butter mixed together for a batter. So it's in a jar already. Combine our sugar with our coconut oil mixed with vegan butter. Have not liked or subscribed, go ahead and do that right now. So pause the video, tap on the like little thumbs up thingy, and hit subscribe. I look forward to seeing you guys, hearing from you guys in my comment section. I'll leave that open. I do need to pour out my vanilla. I made this before on my Instagram story. See that? Like I said, we're not wasting anything. It's about a cup of coconut milk. I do like shopping at the farmer's market. Because we won't waste anything. And we'll fold in our walnuts. And a nut bread. Inspired by the Caribbean, because I've added some ginger to it, some nutmeg to it, all those island flavors.
But mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I
Spoon
are
in our batter.
is evidence of that.
Our surprise is a chocolate bar. It adds our batter is nice and ready to be placed in the oven. We've got the oven set at 350 degrees and we'll bake it for about an hour.